Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts, and today I've been busy making two pumpkin cheesecake rolls, which I will link my full tutorial that I had done a year or two ago. I make this for holiday times, and today I'm making it because this weekend coming is our Thanksgiving here in Canada. So I have my pumpkin cheesecake roll base all made and cooled, and now I have my topping that I'm going to put on, and this consists of 1 cup of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of butter softened, and let me see, a teaspoon of vanilla. And what else here? We've got 3 tablespoons of the canned pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie, but pumpkin puree. And then a half a cup of Cool Whip. So I'm going to just spread this all over my base now. And then I'm going to re-roll it up, and it's going to be like a log. And it's delicious. And now to re-roll this, I have a piece of parchment paper that I'm going to put at the end. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my tea towel that I had rolled it up in the first place with, and I'm just going to let that guide me to roll it all together as I'm doing now. And then I'm going to roll it out onto that parchment paper. And then I've got it, and I can just roll it over on itself, and there we have it, and it rolls up just nicely onto parchment paper or wax paper. And to store this, I have got myself a large bag, and these I got from the Dollar Tree, and these are what are they? Just says storage bags, and there's 5 or 6 in this package for $1.75. So I'm just going to store it in this big bag, and then I can take it and I can put it in my freezer until it's time for it for us to have it on the weekend. So there we have it, our pumpkin cheesecake roll, all done up and ready for the freezer for our weekend ahead for Thanksgiving. And if this is something you'd like to try, please follow my recipe that I will put in the description box. I will attach it to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.